guys! Gagawa kami ni Saki ng Spanish bread.
Spanish bread.
Yeah. So, meron na kaming 4 cups ng bread flour dito. Tapos, nilagay na ni Saki yung asukal na una. Tapos, oh baby, wag baby, ako na. Tapos, lagyan natin ng 1 cup ng milk. Here. Yeah. 1 cup of milk. Paghalo-haluin lang natin. Tapos, nilagay na ni Zaki yung 1/3 cup ng brown sugar. Tapos, lagay natin yung 2 itlog. Hello.
I'm making soap.
You're making what?
I'm making soap milk.
You're making Spanish bread?
Yes, I want Spanish bread.
Yeah, so you want to put them. Here's 2 eggs.
And put it right here.
And then 1 tablespoon instant dried yeast.
Spanish egg.
And 1/2 teaspoon ng salt. This is one.
Black cucumber.
No, not yet. Mommy will give it later. And then butter. And ano lang natin siya. Inid lang natin siya for 12 minutes. So, yan na siya, guys. I-transfer lang natin siya sa bowl. Inisprayhan ko na siya ng oil. Tapos, paalsahin lang natin siya ng mga 1 hour. So, guys, gawin natin yung filling. So, kailangan natin ng 2 cup ng breadcrumbs. Dapat plain siya. Oops, that's not what I want. So, 2 cup ng breadcrumbs. And then, 1 cup ng margarine. It says 1/2 cup of white sugar, but I'm only gonna use like 1/4. Kasi last time sobrang tamis. Saka gagamit din naman ng brown sugar. Ganun din. Ayan, paghaluin lang natin. na siya, guys. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Hi guys, so ito na ang ating dough. Nag-double na siya.
And it's a bit stinky.
We're gonna cut it.
Okay, you can be healthy and strong to cut it.
Yeah, I can be healthy and strong. That's got like 50 grams. I think that's okay. This is 60 grams. So. Baby, wait for mommy, huh? To finish.
But it's so stuck
Hmm?
and sticky.
Sticky? Yeah, you're right. It's sticky. What are we making, ate?
Spanish burritos.
Spanish burrito. It's a Spanish bread, but Zoe likes to call it Spanish burrito.
Crumbs.
In the breadcrumbs. There.
Bad crumbs. Red crumbs. It's not bad crumbs.
Breadcrumbs.
Bad crumbs.
Okay, just roll it. Yeah, you roll it like this. And then we put the filling.
No, it's stuck. No, it's not working.
Maybe you can just roll it in the breadcrumbs. And then i-alon natin. I-close lang. You wanna roll it in the breadcrumbs like this, baby? So we like this. See? And then you just turn. You wanna do it? Just roll it there. No, maybe you can just roll it and then mommy will. Just like this, ate. Just roll it in the breadcrumbs. Like this. Here, you roll it there. It's okay. Don't put it too close. And then we put our filling. Then we close it. Make sure it's up here. So ito na siya, guys. Hindi pare-pares yung sizes, but it's alright kasi kami lang naman kakain. Paalsahin ulit natin siya hanggang mag-double yung size niya for an hour. And then, bake natin siya at 350 for 15 minutes. See you guys later!
Bye-bye!
So ito na siya, guys. Nag-alsa na siya ng konti. Kailan? Bumuka yung iba. So, i-bake na natin siya for 15 minutes. Oh, it's ready, Zoe. Oopsie. You wanna try? Don't go closer, please. Ooh, Spanish bread, Zoe. You don't want Spanish bread? Yummy. Who wants Spanish bread? We're watching Ice. What's that? Ice Age?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, looks
Well, it looks like he Spanish one.
Saki is sick.
It's Ice Age from Disney. I can blow it.
Okay.
Oh no, it's hot, Mommy.
I know it. Oh no. We have to clean it up. Have a bite? Yummy. You're coloring.
I'm coloring the picture.
What color is that?
What's the color?
What's that color?
Told you one.
How about that one? What color is that?
Mango. It's like a fruit.
Yeah.
What is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong, Zaki?
He says, "What's wrong, Zaki?"
Zaki, do you want some Spanish bread? Spanish bread?
I'm so dizzy.
Maybe Daddy wants.
I see 100 mommies.
Delicious.
Yummy. Here, Ate, you wanna try your Spanish? You made the Spanish.
Spanish burrito.
No. I like to color.
Okay.
What's this?
What color is that?
Light blue.
Light blue. Come on.
Num 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 num.
What color is that?
Black.
Black. How about that one? What color is that?
Orange.
Thank you guys for watching. Ingat po kayo. God bless. See you next time. Bye.